Dzień dobry, kochanie.
Dzień dobry, kochanie. Sayang, how was your day?
Oh, I was so busy. I've got little bit work today. How was your day, kochanie?
Busy working. Now we have a fika time. So our new tradition in Poland is that actually since many years, but now in Poland, after I work, we always have a coffee. Yeah, because you always have to find the time for coffee together with your friends, family. And yeah, always have a coffee. That's our tradition. Yes, Sayang?
Tak, fika time. Coffee and talk.
Coffee and talk. He says they're selling real Ili coffee from Italy. Sayang, this restaurant is actually nice, no?
This coffee shop, yes. And look at surround me. There are so many paintings. It seems like art and coffee shop. This is the concept. And look at the furniture as well. It's very colorful and nice. Going to the mall again, Kahani?
Coffee time in the mall. I'm going back driving Uber. You're gonna continue making video.
Kak, I like going to the mall actually.
Why?
In the heat of the sunshine of the summer.
There is nothing wrong with the malls.
Yeah, rather than I got overheated, better I cool off myself here. Nice, so many nice product. Tak? Okay, Kohani, I follow you. Let's go there. Bright. Cooling off in the mall is nice thing to do in summer. And cooling off your wallet, no? Okay. Really like the glass roof design. Nice, bright. And here is the Avenida Mall actually.
Such a cinematic shoot, Sayang.
Yeah, I know.
You get the skill now.
Just wave at me.
Nice.
Nice. Who said that police people are not friendly?
I don't know. I never said like that. Look at how I'm friendly.
Yeah, how they wave at me. Right, so Damian has to go back to work. He's driving Uber now. And I'm gonna take you to...
Where are you going, Sayang? Actually, where you go?
To Swente Market area, the central business district area in Poznan. And
Nice.
And as you see that behind, so many people are coming because this mall, Avenida Mall, is actually the same building as the Duomo train station. And tomorrow we're gonna pick up our friend from Singapore from here actually.
That's so cool. Okay, Winnie will show you the city. I'm going back to drive.
So this one is the train station. Inside is the mall. And Kohanya, you're gonna back driving. Bye bye. And that's the mall. Then there is basically a bus station. Avenida. Here is the bus station. So now I'm gonna take you to stroll around. Oh, nice, a beautiful sunset gonna be. And yeah, so many people are sitting here. That's over there is the Baltic building, Targi building, and nice sunset. I'm gonna take you to walk here. You see, that's the bus station. And this one in front of me is another business building. And that's over there, the Nobel 9 business building tower. I was there in the morning and the afternoon, so that's why we just meet here in Avenida because Damian gonna drive Uber soon and I'm gonna go back home. And here is actually the traffic situation during the rush hour. You see, this one is the bus station. And that is the train station at the same time. Nice sunset. Okay, let's cross the street. This is the city life. I really like to record when crossing the street. That's the high rise tall building. And this one is the tram station basically. So yeah, sipko. quick, 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 quick. Nice. On the right over there, you see the road asphalt here is basically for the bicyclists or for the small scooter. And here in front of me is this one, basically for the walking street. And here is the central business district. And in front of me, that's the park. I was there this morning until the afternoon in Noble 9 Tower. Okay, that's Avenida Mall, train station, bus station. Another business building. Over there, another apartment building as well. Here is the park. That's the restaurant, actually next to the park. Here is the pond. You can buy the birds food there. That's the statue. And I walk further over there to go to Santa Martin Street. It's nice children playground under the tree. It's very hot. You see, even the kids don't wear shirt. Nice statue. And in front of me is the another university building. And here is Universitat Ekonomiczne, University of Economy. And yeah, right in front, the fountain gonna be, and it's Adam Mickiewicz University and Santa Martin Street. That's the thing. This is how the traffic situation actually during the rush hour in front of me at the fountain. That's on the left is the university building, and that is the Baltic Business Building. So it's actually, this one is the center basically. I was there actually. Now I'm showing you how it looks. The Santa Martin Street, the centrum. This is how basically the traffic situation at 7:15 p.m. and the sunset is over there. In short, this is the central of the education as well. That's the auditorium of Adam Mickiewicz University. Here is Akademia Muzyczna, Academy Music. And that's over there the Universitat Ekonomiczne, University of Economy. So well, I can say then Poznan is the city of education as well. And here is the public transportation. They have a tram, they have a bus, they have a taxi, and yeah, simply like that. That's the Collegium Minus from Adam Mickiewicz University. And here is one of my favorite parks, Adam Mickiewicz Park, with the fountain. Nice. Don't you think this one is so enjoyable? Many people are here enjoying their time, having a picnic by the park. That's nice. We were there yesterday, and that's the Zamek Cesarski Philharmonia Poznanska. It is so beautiful. One thing that I see different here from my country is that people are here, getting a freedom to show their love and affection in the public places. Like this, people kissing in the park, like this. Nobody care. But in my country, people really will stare at you or look at you if you show your affection of love in the public places. The things that I have seen common here, that is people showing their love, affection, kissing, hugging in the public places. But in my home country, in Indonesia, and yeah, it's not that common. But in Bali, because of tourist place, probably sometimes you can see that. That is why when you see that my video here in Poland or in Europe in general, Damian kissing me a lot in the public places, because he just doesn't really think too much about that. But meanwhile, back when we used to live in Indonesia and in Southeast Asia general, whenever Damian want to kiss me or want to hug me, he's just like not really having a freedom to showing the affection or love in the public places. So this in front of me is the Fredri Street, and here is the theater. You see that the young people there playing the skateboard over there, riding bicycles. Simply, it's enjoyable. Nice. It's time to go home. Basically, I just need to walk over there. Behind me, that's already Yesice district. So I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye! I was there and it's hot. I bought an ice cream here. You see, this one 8 zloty per one portion. It's time to go home. Now I am in Yesice district, walking home with eating ice cream. That's one thing that I really like the most now in Poland.